Okay, today we'll talk about the pivot table chart. So our data figures, which are the measures, are displayed in a table with a possibility to do rotation for the dimension. It is very similar to a cube. We have the ability to expand and collapse the dimensions. Let's take an example about that. Let's assume that the management are interested to analyze total discount per category, subcategory, and product in a pivot table format. So this is called a dynamic analysis. The steps to do this, we have to do right click as usual, new sheet object, then chart. Then we select the pivot chart. Our dimension will contain the category, subcategory, and the product, and our expression is the sum of the discount. So we have the right to do expansion. We just click on the plus sign, and if we want to do a collapse, we press on the sign. Also, we can do rotation for the dimension. For example, we do a highlight for the dimension and we shift it just left, right, or up. In this exercise, we'll have a very similar to this table in this exercise. So let us do it step by step in the click. We go to the click. So right click, new sheet object, chart. Which type of chart? Pivot chart. This is the pivot chart that contains the plus and the minus, which are the expand and collapse. We select this one. Next. So they are asking to have dimensions, the category. You remember? Those are the dimensions are what? Category, subcategory, and product. So I select first the category, which is the highest one in the hierarchy. So I have the category. This is category I added. Then subcategory, add, and then I'll have the product I added. Next. I want to do analysis for the discount, so I will have the sum of what? Discount. And then okay. Okay, and finish. So it had been done here. If I want just to have some enhancement, right click, I go to the properties, and then I'll go to the number, and then I select what? Integer. Okay, and in the general, I can say here, pivot analysis of discount apply, and okay. So that's it. I can drag this one and add it to what? Okay, to the container. If I want to do expansion, I press on the plus like this one. If I want to do, for example, the cosmetics during 2018 is 65,000. If you want to do drill down, you press on the plus, then you have the blush, foundation, lipsticks, and mascara. Let's take the mascara. It is 16,000. Okay, it is Chanel 12,000 and 4,000 for L'Oreal. Yeah, very similar to the one in Excel. Now, let's assume I want to have the product as the first dimension. Just, okay, highlight it and move to the left. Let's assume now I want the category, okay, at the end, I'll have it like this one. If you want to have expand all, this is expand all. If you want to have the category here, you can have it. If you want to have the category at, you can move it to the top. Then you will have, for example, those are electronics, office supplies, etc. In the office supplies, you have HP, you have copier and printer, and also you have Samsung phones and shredder. Also you have the Toshiba, etc., etc. So in this way, you can do rotation as you want. If you want to have it again, you can highlight this one and you can drag it here. You can take the products up and drag it up. So you can play with the cube, okay, and you do your rotation as you want. You can view your data as you want, okay? And of course, the dimensions also will be applied and all of your figures will be changed. For example, I just want, okay, those one done in Lebanon. I can have it. I want also the product to retrieve it again here. I can. Okay, I want to do expansion. I can. So this is about the pivot. Okay.